Boy, it's a beautiful December day for hiking in Griffith Park here in Los Angeles. And I'm doing something kind of special today. About a month ago, I started hiking with a horse, which sounds kind of crazy, but when you make friends with the horse, he becomes like your hiking buddy. This is my buddy Merle. Hey Merle, how you doing, boy? We've been hiking together on Wednesdays the past month or so, and it's nice. We get a nice connection, and you make eye contact with the horse, and the horse kind of becomes your pal, don't you, buddy? Anyways, come along and check out this hike with me and my friend Merle.
Our adventure today starts out in Atwater Village, where the horse lives. And to get to Griffith Park, we'll have to cross the LA River. There's this nice suspension bridge with a horse side that's padded for their hooves. Next, we'll have to get past the Interstate 5 Golden State Freeway. It's always busy and very noisy, but there's this nice tunnel we can take underneath it that'll get us past. I must admit that the only way I'm able to hike here with Merle is due to Reagan, our friend who's renting Merle, which is something I didn't know you could do, but evidently has become quite popular. She rents Merle one day a week, and I get the opportunity to hang out with Merle and spend some quality horse time I didn't even know I was missing from my life. Thanks, Reagan.
Yes, you're a good boy.
We like to stop at Griffith Park's public watering trough so Merle can get a little water if he needs it.
Merle likes his water. Who's a good horse? Yes, he's a good horse. Yes, you're a good horse, aren't you, buddy? Yes. Yes, you're a good boy.
All right.
Yes. Okay, let's go hiking. Let's go hiking, Merle. Yay! Hiking with Merle. Good boy.
Yeah, we're horse hiking all across the countryside. Out on the trail as the sun goes down. Boots hit the dirt, hear the saddle sound. Dust in the air, got a rhythm inside. Every step forward, it's a wild fun ride. You feel the beat in the canyon air. Every move sharp, every step aware. It's not about speed, it's the way you move. Find your balance,
yes, Merle,
find your groove. Everybody was
good horse.
Hiking.
Good horse. Yes, you're a good boy.
Yeah, the trail was exciting with a stomp, clap, beat, and a joyful stride. Yeah, we're horse hiking. Let the adventure be your guide. Sliding from the hills to the open plains. Yeah, we're horse hiking. Let the rhythm lead the reins.
Who's a good boy? Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes. Who's a good boy? Well, Merle and I have had a real nice time hiking today. It's been a wonderful weather out here and hardly anyone on the trail, so we've had it all just for ourselves. He takes a little bit more room than me, so it's nice to have some space. Right, Merle? Anyways, I highly recommend horse hiking if you have the chance. It's really nice to connect with a horse like that. Merle wants a treat.
My goodness.
Yes, you do. You want a treat, don't you? He smells
kisses,
it.
Kisses, kisses. Good boy, kisses. Good boy, thank you. Thank you. Good boy. Another kiss? Good boy. Oh, such a good boy.
He is, Merle's a good horse.
Yeah.
Good horsey. Who's a good boy? There you go, buddy. He's a good horse. Yes, who's a good horse? Merle.
Kisses. Kisses. Thank you.
Good horse. Good horse. Yes, Merle. You give me a kiss? You give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a good boy. Bye, Merle. Bye, good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes.